I would like to ask you, first of all, how did you find this session, Industry Day with QK and HDFC Securities?
It was extremely helpful to know from industry experts. We also see ourselves lacking somewhere, so it was an eye-opener where we can fill our gaps too. And multiple sessions from multiple folks actually helped us get insights what we can do in near future and for long-term planning as well.
Thank you so much. So, if you were seeing the session, there were multiple topics has been covered. So, I would like to know that which session was so impactful for you, which you can utilize in the coming future, which can add value to the HDFC Securities.
I would say actually each session had its own value add because as a big enterprise, there is a constant struggle to keep in terms of uptime, availability, reliability, everything. And something which we can immediately think about was the monitoring aspects of what Watermelon and QK can do together, bringing us value in terms of observability. The chaos engineering was a good value add which we could see right away. And there were other informational aspects too on how industry is moving towards quality engineering. So I would say that entire session was helpful, but yes. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. So, if I ask you, what would be your takeaway from today's session, which you would like to carry forward in the coming financial year or coming years, which development you would like to implement in this next year?
Actually, we are doing quality analysis right now, so we would like to move towards quality engineering. So that would be the biggest takeaway.
Great to hear that. At last, I would like to ask you, if we arrange such kind of events and industry days, how's your experience? Would you like to attend? How would you like to take it?
Yeah, this was a great event. It helps us, both the organizations, all the organizations involved, to basically communicate with each other up close, and we get a chance to see, since we are already involved in too much work, so it's good to have every couple of months it's good to have some industry experts telling us where the industry is moving towards, so that we can also as a company acquire knowledge from what other consultants are doing across the globe. Since we are already involved in ourselves, we need a global insight. So that will be a value add if we are doing on a regular basis, or couple of months, maybe once a year, something like that. It will be great.
So actually, I think we have a very long time, and we are being together, we are working together, and we are exceeding together in this path. So, I would like to ask you, how is your relationship with QK, and how is the relationship is building? And then what is your experience onto that? What, if you would like to share some thoughts onto that?
Actually, personally, I have joined a bit recently, and yes, we have a long relationship with QK as an organization, and it has been fruitful. We have observed in multiple cases, and basically, it's good to continue a relationship which is already fruitful towards attaining whatever we discussed today in terms of quality engineering. So again, we are doing quality analysis right now. We should be able to move in near future, at least in long term, to quality engineering, covering most of the aspects that we discovered today, and probably be in line with where the industry is moving altogether.
So thank you so much for giving me the time and explaining about whatever the relationship we have with HDFC Securities. Thank you so much.